would you design an access point if it wasn't meant to stay put? Imagine an AP mounted on a robot, a forklift, or an automated guided vehicle, moving through factories, warehouses, distribution centers, and healthcare facilities, or in even more dynamic environments like ports, mines, and railways. These environments are tough, full of shifting dead zones and RF interference. Well, that's exactly why we created the Catalyst IW9165E, Cisco's only purpose-built wireless client. The IW9165E delivers ultra-reliable connectivity, ensuring your critical operations run smoothly without a single dropped connection. That's why our customers trust it for their most demanding mission-critical applications. In factories, it keeps hundreds of automated guided vehicles continuously connected, boosting uptime and workplace safety. In mines, it enables critical remote control of unmanned vehicles in treacherous terrain, ensuring instant response for improved precision and safety. In ports, it connects cranes, machinery, and automated vehicles, feeding real-time data to terminal operating systems to maximize port capacity, throughput, and efficiency. And on the rails, the IW9165E ensures continuous telecommunications for traffic management, delivering safer, more efficient, and higher capacity rail operations. The IW9165E is not just reliable, it's also engineered for these extreme demands. It supports essential industrial protocols like Profinet and meets stringent certifications such as EN 50155 for rail and EN 45545 for flammability. Now, right away, you'll notice how different it looks from traditional Cisco access points. It's compact and rugged. It operates on Wi-Fi 6E with Ultra-Reliable Wireless Backhaul, or URWB. URWB is based on the 802.11 standard, but engineered for even greater reliability than the latest Wi-Fi versions. It uses make-before-break handoffs. As your assets move, they stay connected. No interruptions, no lost packets, and almost zero latency. Now, let's talk hardware. The IW9165E has 2 radios, supports 2x2 MIMO with 2 spatial streams each. You get a wide choice of external antennas to optimize coverage for your deployment. There are 2 Ethernet ports. The center port is the uplink port, which also lets you power the IW9165E with PoE. The other port you can use to directly connect another device if needed. There's a DC power input for extra flexibility. It also has a built-in Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS, to enable location services. And you can mount it horizontally or vertically to fit your moving assets. Now, that's just a glimpse of what the Catalyst IW9165E can do. It's Cisco's only wireless client built for moving assets. And you can manage it just like other Cisco access points through Wireless LAN Controller or Catalyst Center. For more details, check the links below and subscribe for more tech insights.